Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete temporary files in Windows 10 and 11. They both work the same. And to do that, let's just search for run, or you can also tap on your keyboard by your Windows and R. So I'm just searching for run. And once you open it, just write percentage temp percentage and just click on OK. And once you do that, you will find your temporary files in here. Just select all of them by pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard, and then just right click on it and then tap on delete. So check mark it, do this for all current items. Tap on skip. And it will be cleared. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.